This is part 2, a couple days later,
of priming or of tucking and shaving the bay.
Damon's not here right at the moment. We don't know if he's gonna come. Hit him up. Possibly he's coming. However, if he can't come, I gotta learn how to weld. I don't know how to weld. So we're gonna try an easy hole first. Oh wait, can you grab me? Never mind, I got sandpaper right here. So I'm just gonna scuff that and then give her hell.
Because as it sits, we have these couple holes right here to fill. We've got on the firewall.
No, these won't get welded. We'll sand that, body fill that. These need to get welded, and that for sure needs to get welded. So I'm just gonna.
And that's basically it. Make sure you cut that first.
Yeah, I know. I'll make sure it's going.
This'll.
I mean, it can't be too hard, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out, Hammer. We're gonna learn the hard way. Just give her hell. No mask, no. I'm just fine.
But as of this next video, part 2, which we'll just do the full assembly process. Part 2 to the video that we will release whenever. We just gotta finish up a couple of those welds. But we have to get those couple welded, pile a bit more body filler, and then after the body filler, we're gonna prime and paint it, and that'll be all for this video.
Gotta get that paint off of there, because then when the body fill goes on, obviously.
Just scuff the one that you need to do for now.
I'm gonna do just both these ends right next to each other, because this is the one we drilled out right here, and that's the one that was already there originally. So, I mean, it's gotta get grinded down. Obviously, I'm just gonna do it. That's good.
You gotta cut way too long, Hammer. You gotta cut it.
What the hell happened?
Tip has to be like on there.
My tip will be on something.
Just touches. Don't fucking just
Here you go,
hold.
puppies.
Just touch it on there. Don't fucking. No, hammer. You stuck the thing way in there. Cut it. You stuck the center of it right down.
Redo all this so I don't.
He's letting her eat.
It's eating through. Oh, look, it is. It's eating right through the whole metal.
Yeah, so for his first time welding ever, some fucking mountains, bro. I don't even know if you covered the hole or you just built the dome around it.
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Oh, it might be already plugged in.
That's the cutter. We're probably gonna have to fucking cut it. So give me the cutter. Hey, it ain't much, but it's honest work.
Oh, Lord, Taylor!
And there's one more little booger right there.
No, you can probably just body fill that.
I'd rather weld it. It'll take 2 more seconds. It'll add.
How do you feel?
Honestly, not good, but at least it works. So, hey, he's body.
I think you got a hammer.
Not this side over here. I'll have to re-weld it.
Which one?
This one right here?
No, but whatever body fill. We can body fill because there's nothing there. It's full at the bottom, you know? Go to work, killer. Well,
Touch-ups.
it needs a couple touch-ups, but for his first time picking up a welder, hey, bad.
That's what I had to do a touch-up on. That was my first, like, try.
Yeah, that's tits.
I wouldn't say tits because we're going to grind the piss out of it, but... hey, if it works, it works. I don't give a shit.
He's going to be like, yeah, you know this whole engine bay? I did that part right there.
As long as I can do a booger.
The thing is, I got to see for that one, I got to see if I can get back underneath the carpet and hold a plate there.
Yeah, it's going to be tough.
And then you go through a lot of metal there. We got all of these. Those are all good to go. That hole right there is good to go. Stuff back here is good to go. Now we're working on the firewall stuff. Once that's done, spray her down. What are you looking for? That's gonna be the block off plate for that right there. It looks like a mess right now, but it'll look good once we got everything. Ow! So we just got done welding everything that we are going to weld in this engine bay. We're giving it a cleanup with, let me see that spray. With whatever the hell that is. That's what we're told to use. And then we're gonna start the basically last stage of body fill around the entire engine bay. Well, not you, but you know.
It'll be the last stage for stuff like this here.
Cleaning up bits like that. All of this. This one will probably need a 2 or 3 stage.
Yeah. Definitely need a good amount. We need to make this really smooth. Because like, this is gonna catch people's eyes. Like when you open the hood, yeah, and people are gonna see there's no hood latch there. So this really needs to be perfect.
But I think our goal for the end of the day is to finish
just
body fill, sand it once, give it a second coat of body fill, and then be done.
So I'm hungry.
We ate like 4 hours ago.
Hungry again.
So we'll get back to you after we've got a coat of body fill down. I don't really need to show you how to do that. You just glop some of that on. Done. If you need to know how to do it, there's probably a Chris Fix video out there.
Yeah, there is. I think there is.
So yeah, we'll get back to you once we're done with that. So we just got done with our first big kind of thicker round of body fill that covers most of the engine bay. And you're just wrapping up a little in the back there. Once we're done with this, we're gonna let it dry for another probably 5, 10, 15 minutes. We'll come back out here, sand it, probably go over another coat on some of the important spots, and I'll pick up the camera then. So we're almost done with the first sanding phase, and let me tell you, it's not fun. This man, luckily, in his ADHD and his perfectionism, makes it go by like a dream. Smoother than a baby's ass.
Except for right here, that needs to get sanded.
Yeah,
like that
well,
needs to get rebody filled, but
this will turn around quick. It looks like shit now, and a lot of you guys are probably, what the hell's going on? But this is the effort that it takes to get a tucked and shaved bay, and the outcome is going to be amazing.
I just realized something that we missed.